Because the reliability of trial evidence is integral to a just outcome, the federal rules of evidence contain various restrictions intended to limit the admission of unreliable information. In United States v. Jackson, we explore the scope of one such restriction, namely the prohibition on the admission of hearsay. One man was talking on a payphone when another put a revolver to his head and demanded his money and car keys. The victim heard a bystander yell, quote, "Kenny, don't do it," unquote. After the victim handed over his money and keys, the perpetrator fled in the victim's vehicle. Nearby police pursued the perpetrator, prompting him to abandon the car and flee on foot. In the chase, the perpetrator ultimately escaped, but police recovered his discarded jacket, which contained a pager. The pager later went off, and when police called the provided phone number, a woman asked, quote, "Is this Kenny?" unquote. Law enforcement eventually apprehended and charged Kenneth Jackson. At trial over Jackson's objection, the district judge allowed the victim to testify as to hearing the bystander's statement of, quote, "Kenny, don't do it," unquote, and also admitted into evidence the woman's question of, quote, "Is this Kenny?" unquote. Jackson was ultimately convicted in the district court. He then appealed to the 10th Circuit, arguing that the district judge erred in admitting the two statements because both were inadmissible hearsay.